Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that I would just film my July Boxycharm unboxing. For those of you that don't know, Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription service, and you get 5, sometimes 6 full-sized makeup products, sometimes skincare or hair care, but it's my favorite subscription box by far, for sure. This month we got another pamphlet, and if you open it up, it tells you what all is inside. It's like a little foldable. The theme this month was road tripping, so I guess this is all supposed to be stuff that you can take on the road. So anyway, the first thing that I got in my box was I got the Pharmacy Bright On Vitamin C Mask, and I was super excited to get this. The other thing you could have gotten was an eye gel, and I already have an eye moisturizer, so I was excited to get this. Oh, it's closed. I was excited to get this mask. I will be trying this out. I was so excited to get this. I love face masks. That face mask is worth $38. Alright, and then next I got this Note blush. It's a Luminous Silk Compact Blush, and I got it in the shade Desert Rose. I actually have this on my cheeks today. This is the shade. It's like a nice peachy, neutral, very pigmented, and you don't have to use a whole lot. This is worth $12. Next, we got this Wonder Beauty mascara, and it comes in like a tube, which is different, but I'm excited to try it. The brush is like curved. I don't want to open it. I've seen it online. You can look it up, but I don't want to open it because I want to save it and use it. But I was really excited to get this. I'm excited to try it. It looks like a volumizing mascara for sure. That is worth $24. Next, we got this Cella Brow, a beauty cream. So it's like a pomade in one side and like a brush on the other. I personally don't use pomades, but I will try it out. It looks like it'll be a good shade, and this is worth $26. And then the last item I got in the box, Crown Fuego eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. It's got all these beautiful shades. They're very rusty and very, very pretty. I'm not going to swatch them. I'm not going to touch them, because what I want to do with this eyeshadow palette is actually a mini giveaway. So if you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then comment down below, I have a link in my description below for Boxycharm, and if you use my link, all that means is that I get extra charm. So if you use my link, I get 500 charms, I think, and you get 500 charms. And then for every box you get charms as well. Yeah, just leave me a comment and like this video. You'll have to be subscribed to my channel too, but I would love to send this out to one of you. So that is $130 worth of product in the box, and you only pay $21 a month. So it's a great deal, especially if you like to try different products. And next month we're getting something from Smashbox and from Laura Lee Los Angeles. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much for being here. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye guys.